Hello, Bronco people. I told you I'd be back, and I'm back. I left, last video we had left off, I told you I was going to do a lot of work on my Bronco, and since then, I went to the Bronco Super Celebration in Townsend, Tennessee, and it was a great trip. I learned a lot. I got a lot of inspiration from a Bronco, and saw a lot of nice Broncos. You can check out my video from that celebration. Bronco celebration in Townsend, Tennessee was just last week. I went and did a video on that, and you can check that in the link down below. Since I got back from the celebration in Tennessee, I have taken my Bronco apart, at least under the hood. Let me show you what I've done. I have removed the radiator, taken off all my belts, took off the power steering pump, took off the water pump, took off my big bracket here, had my alternator underneath, right in here. There's the connectors to my alternator. I removed my AC compressor. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that yet. Probably going to replace it. I don't know. I broke 3 bolts in the process of getting all this stuff off. It took me about 3 days to get all this stuff off. I broke 3 bolts because these things were pretty nasty. Very So I've taken off a lot of parts from underneath the hood in the engine bay, and I'm going to start replacing 50-year-old parts, basically. I'm going to clean and sand and paint what I can. Stuff that needs to be replaced, I'm certainly going to do that. And we're going to start with all the main pieces that I took off here. Took off the alternator. I'm going to go to a single wire alternator. All my radiator brackets. So as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. A lot of stuff needs replacing. Like I said, it's almost 50 years old. I want to be able to drive this thing, feel comfortable with it. I want to take it to Townsend next year. I would like to display and show my Bronco. Like I said, it's not going to be the nicest one on the field, but it's mine, and I'm going to put a lot of heart and soul and sweat into it, and make it as good as I can. It's good therapy. Yeah, if you got any suggestions, any tips, leave them down below. I'll put links down below for all the things I get. I'm getting most of my stuff from Tom's Off-Road. I met those people at the celebration there in Townsend, Tennessee. Super folks. They ship out super fast, high quality parts. I guess that's it for now. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll certainly help me out. I've got a lot of things I'm going to do to this thing in probably the next year, 6 months, whatever, whenever I can get to it. So stick around, follow me on this journey, and I'll show you what I do. Thank you very much. Take care.